Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best round rugs available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have nuLOOM Rug. It is crafted of durable synthetic fibers. It has soft texture and is easy to clean. Also no shed, pet friendly, incredibly durable fiber adding to rug longevity. Low maintenance material makes this perfect for high traffic areas. Care instructions. You can make this rug perfect for any area construction. That ensures premise design and vivid colors. Bound edges help with rug longevity and durability. This wide range of colors look great in a variety of settings. You can choose from 8 unique colors to find the perfect style for your home. At number 6 we have amdrebio rug. The biggest feature of this material is its amazingly soft touch, especially when you walk on it. This softness comes from thousands of 1.7 inches plush fibers. Its vivid color and furry appearance are perfect to enhance a kid's room. Meanwhile, the plush rug also offers warmth and comfort between kids and the cold floor during their happy time. After the rug is air dried, it's better if you fluff it. It's normal to see the fibers on the rug is not fluffy enough and there will be some creases. At number 5 we have Fernish Rug. This hand-woven jute area rug is 6 feet round. The perfect combination of style and durability. The jute rug bring home effortless sophistication. This rug is versatile enough to be used alone or as a base for layering. The perfect rug to polish off your living room, bedroom or foyer. It has a braided texture, creates the perfect casual coastal farmhouse or global look and feel. This rug is made from renewable natural fibers. Each piece is marked by subtle but individual differences that will make your rug unique. At number 4 we have Nourison Rug. This dramatically distressed color effects and ornate European damask designs bring a vintage antique vibe to this jubilant collection round rug. Its striated ivory patterns on a gray field bring an authentic elegance to your favorite room with a sleek low pile of easy care fibers. The lightweight, durable, easy to clean material is low maintenance. This beautifully enhances any room of the home, from the living room, dining room, bedroom, dorm room, study or home office. At number 3 we have Lahome Rug. Lahome area rug's pattern is distinctive, which own fine workmanship and has a variety of patterns to choose, as a great decoration for your home. The soft and dense with a subtle beautiful pattern, these rugs are made for maximum comfort, which provides a nice soft feel to your feet. Rugs bring comfort and atmosphere. Large ones define the seating area in the living room. That's runners soften your steps in the hallway and doormats welcome you home. At number 2 we have Hami Rug. This area round rug blanket designed with a pattern from Bohemia, very beautiful and durable for high traffic areas. So distinctive and eye-catching to decorate your home. Hami round rug floor carpet made by pure superior cotton material. It is perfect round rug for living room, bedroom, kitchen, entryway, laundry room, office, tablecloth, etc. At number 1 we have Uphome Rug. This round area rug made with 100% polyester. Not a very thick rug but soft touch enough to get the theme. The dense surface of the floral floor mats is soft to the touch and low pile that holds up against foot traffic like stepping on the cloud. This circular boho rug introduced an unexpected element in popular boho elements. The bottom of the round shower mat is made of 100% environmental thermoplastic rubber, which gonna grip the floor more firmly. This round throw rug using flock technique, every fiber is firmly attached onto the backing, free of fiber shedding issue, which can withstand frequent machine washing, and its premium quality built can last for a long time. Performance. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best round rugs for your need.